Happy Diwali to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. Today I have a kutti story about Rama and CA student. You all would have heard multiple stories as to why we are celebrating Diwali. Some people especially in the south of India, they say that Naragasura was killed and that is the reason Diwali was celebrated. But me as a kid always heard the story that Rama came back to Ayodhya after 14 years of being in exile, and everybody in Ayodhya actually lit lamps to welcome him back to Ayodhya, and that is the reason why Diwali was celebrated. Now we're gonna see what are the practices that Rama actually followed. What can we as CA students learn from him? That is the storybook that I have made for today. I will also tell you how I made the storybook using artificial intelligence. Yes, guys, everything here, the illustrations, the text, everything is done by AI only. Now let's start off. Every epic journey begins with a choice to embrace duty over comfort. What was Rama's duty? He made a promise to his father that he will go into the forest, he will not take upon the throne, and he will give the throne to his brother. He made that promise to his father, and he has accepted his dharma. Yes or no? He has accepted his righteous duty. Same way, you all made a promise that I will complete this CA course in 4 to 5 years. The same way, you have to maintain that dharma that you yourself have made a promise for yourself. You have to follow that promise. For 14 years, Rama practiced tapasya, that is self-discipline in the forest. He gave all his comfort, all his royal silk for baths. He gave his comfort for consciousness. The same way, as CA students, we also require highest level of self-discipline. See here how beautifully they have shown the tapasya of a CA student on one side and Rama on the other side. The exile was not emptiness, it was profound learning. Rama, even though he went to the forest, he did not think that, okay, I will just eat and sleep in the forest. He continuously learned so many things from different sages like Agastya and all. Similarly, a CA student also continuously will have to have that mindset of undergoing learning. And even after you become a chartered accountant, you will continuously be learning. That will never ever stop, guys. A stage lesson only takes root through practice. Yes, now after learning, you will not be like, okay, I've learned everything from the sages. You have to put everything to practice. Now, he took his archery, he took his bow and arrow, and he made sure that every arrow was actually aimed with precision and with proper focus. Same way, after learning the concepts, you also have to put pen to paper and you have to practice for you to know whether you have actually learned the concepts properly. Can you see here? On one side, Rama is practicing, on the other side, AI has beautifully shown a CA student putting pen to paper and practicing. The challenges which happen in the forest was relentless. So obviously living in the forest is not gonna be a cakewalk. There were betrayals, there were devastating losses. Yes, his wife itself was taken away from him. Impossible obstacles which tested Rama again and again. Same way for a CA student also, there will be multiple obstacles, there will be multiple distractions, but your resolution should remain unbroken. With the help of allies, that means with the help of friends, Rama began the impossible task. That means he built that bridge over the ocean. Each and every stone that was placed was a commitment. Nowadays, we even have 3D printing for construction of bridges and all. In those days, each and every stone, they have to place it in that exact place for it to form a proper bridge. Now, he definitely cannot do this alone. So, he had his brother with him full time, and he also had Hanuman who was helping him the entire period. Yes, the same way, the people who are going to help you in your journey, they are very important. Choose them wisely. Can you see here? See a student taking the help of her friend. And here, how Rama has built the beautiful bridge, of course, with the help of his friends. The final days of exile were a sages. Of course, it's a grueling war where every strength and every strategy through so many years of hardship he has to put in place. The same way, of course, for a CA student also, the last few days is very, 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 very important. After 14 years, when Rama entered Ayodhya, now he is returning to the throne. Now he is a king who has earned his sovereignty through sacrifice and lived experience. Now, same way, after your Vanavasa, if you have that discipline and all of those things which Rama practiced, then you can also hold that certificate. How beautifully this girl is holding here. Chartered accountant, it is written there. Yes? His journey proved that true wealth cannot be inherited. Your field may be finance, your jungle may be the syllabus, and your exile a study room, the place where you are studying. But the principles of Rama's dharma are eternal. What are the three principles? He had complete self control, resilience, and commitment towards his end goal. Yes, that will lead you guys to the righteous victory. They do not say that will lead you to victory. The righteous victory, nobody can take it away from you. Nobody can question you. It is only yours. It will automatically come to you. That is the story of the Forest of Focus, a CA Vanavasa by Niveda Shankar. I told you I made the storybook using artificial intelligence. I will also tell you how I did this, guys. Now, here there is this gems. You can explore gems and here storybook. Now, in this storybook, you just give a prompt. Now, they themselves are giving few prompts here. My 7-year-old wants to sleep over at grandma's house. Create a storybook. Now, if you ask like this, now Gemini itself is going to create your storybook in 1 to 2 minutes. This is the way to do it. There are so many other gems. Now, people say like there are so many AIs that you have to learn, so many tools for AI. Yes, it is there. But also know that if you know one tool to the fullest, say for example, my favorite is Gemini right now, because in Gemini there are multiple other tools. Google itself has multiple other tools. If you just see the gems here, what and all you can do with Gemini gems. You can do logo, you can create storybook, you can create video. There is something called AI Flow. You can create videos there. There is Nano Banana in Gemini. You all would have already tried that, I'm sure, because Instagram was filled with that 80s pictures using Nano Banana. All of this is Google's. Yes. Now with this, you can create your own storybook. You can create your own logo for your business. You can do multiple things just using Gemini, guys. Now, wherever you're free, I want you to try for you to make a storybook, or you can make a logo, or you can make a story here itself. Actually, you know how I did? This is a way to do it, going to gems and going. Or here itself, you can just write and say, make a storybook. And here itself, it will be making a storybook for you. I was not sure whether this will always happen for everybody. That's why I showed you the gems also. This will definitely happen. If you go to gems and if you click on the storybook, yes, you will get it. All right, guys. I hope you learned something new today also. In case you have the Diwali guilt and all, you can tell yourself, okay, I learned a new AI tool today. So I will enjoy Diwali by eating all the sweets, bursting the crackers and all of those things. Yes, guys, all the very best. Enjoy with your family and enjoy with your friends. Eat lots of sweets. No guilt today. Yes, guys, enjoy and come back tomorrow stronger. That is the most important part. Yes, guys, happy Diwali.